Good day, my fellow Indian riders and owners. I've noticed for the last several months on several of the different social media pages and posts complaining about lack of Indian motorcycle accessories. And most time, the only place you can get them is at your nearest dealer, which could be 3-4 hours away. Well, I've worked on that, looked for a solution, and what I've done is through Amazon, I've created a store. Now I've got two stores. The first store is for Indian motorcycle accessories. I'm going to show you some that I have acquired, and we'll start with the windshield. The windshield is a Glock Works windshield right there, and it's the tallest one. I believe it was a 14 because I like looking under the leading edge. I like looking under the edge, and it really works as advertised as far as diffusing the air. You ain't got no head buffering. You can hear your music a lot better. It's a good investment. Furthermore, the little details. Oh yeah, these handlebar grip wraps. These are actually leather wraps that are over the Indian plastic hand grips. And I was looking for a little softer feel, so my hands wouldn't hurt because I'm old. And they were relatively priced. I thought kind of low. I was worried about the value, but you follow instructions, they went on just fine. They have a Indian on the grip right there. I like them. I think it was a good investment. I also have extended the shifter peg. I got a larger shifter peg right there because I like to wear steel toe boots, and sometimes you just don't have the feel right there like you want, but I can still clunk it in gear. Further on back, of course, I ride solo. I like the solo look, and that's just my preference. I bought this seat off my store. It's a CC Rider, and it was less than $200. The good thing with Amazon is if you don't like it, you can send it back, and they'll reimburse you, or you can exchange for something else. I did that about 4 times with Amazon before I found something I liked, because I tried all the expensive ones first, Corbin, Saddlemen, Mustang, and I just didn't like the feel. And just my luck, the cheapest one they got's got the best feel. So it works real good. I also installed these rear peg floorboard deletes, because I ride solo. I don't need the rear pegs there. It's a little delete. It goes in there. It's pretty cool. Kind of cleans up the look. Of course, you get your crash bars on the store. Rear and front crash bars. They do come in handy when you forget to put the kickstand down, and it falls over. It comes in handy there. Because we've seen the seat. I got a rear luggage carrier. You can also buy that on my Amazon store. Same one right there. Just kind of cleans up the look. Some people like a bare look. Some people like the little leather pad that goes on there. I've got all that on my Amazon store. Got your exhaust that you can buy. All your air cleaner stuff. Tag holder. I kind of like my Indian tag holder. It'll go around here. Of course, we got the Reinhardts. Rear crash bar. Some people call it a saddlebag crash bar, but it works good. Take it from me. I have later over. Everything else is well, I got this brake peg that I put on here. It's extra large, extends a little farther out, so my foot won't miss it when I go jabbing for it. Crash bars. Like I said, the grip covers are really easy to put on. I was a little worried about lacing them things up, but I got her done. And other than that, I think this is a possible solution for your Indian motorcycle accessories. You know, because if you go to the dealership, they're priced outrageously. We have put together a store on Amazon where the cost point is a lot less. It's more effective, and it's shipped right to your door. And it has Amazon's return policy. You don't like it, just package it back up and ship it back. I've done some items like that. So also, I have also built an Indian motorcycle apparel store. So if only place you can find Indian apparel is at your dealership, and a lot of us live a long way away from a dealership to go there and pay exorbitant prices for t-shirts, jackets. I have an apparel store. I will put the link below, like I'll put the link for the Indian Motorcycle Accessory Store. The link will be below, along with the Indian Motorcycle Apparel link. And we have a fine line of ladies attire, men's, boys and girls, and children. So you can buy it there at I guarantee it's a whole lot less than you go into a dealership buying it. So give it a look, comment below, let me know what you think. Yes, I'm an affiliate. Yes, I make a little money. I might make enough to buy a tank of gas, go for a ride on the weekend. It ain't no I'm blowing down getting rich off this, but I just trying to solve a problem that I had, and I assumed several other thousand people had. So give me a look, check the link, look around. I will appreciate your patronage and business, and spend the money wisely. Thank you very much, and goodbye.